Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Stouffville, Ontario, a friendly town just northeast of Toronto. This community was first settled in the early 1800s, and it has grown from a small milling village into a lively place with a mix of history and modern living. Over time, the railway and farming made the town an important stop for trade and travel. Stouffville is known for its beautiful parks and walking trails. The Main Street area offers shops, cafes, and local events that bring people together year-round. Many families choose to live here for the balance of small-town charm and easy access to the city. Whether you are visiting for a short time or planning to stay longer, Stouffville has something to make you feel welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Stouffville, Ontario. Thanks for watching!